How to add driver license or state ID in iPhone wallet app. Let's get started. Launch your wallet app. Here we go. You will land to this kind of page. Now at the top right corner, you'll find this plus icon. Click on it. Over here, you're gonna find different options. Click on this option of driver license or state ID. Now select the state. Click on continue. With that, your camera will open up. Now you have to scan front part of your ID. Once you do that, you have to scan the back part of your ID. Once you are done with the scanning part, you need to identify your identity using your face by following the on-screen instructions. And finally confirm it by tapping on this button, continue with Face ID. Now you will have to wait for at least 24 hours for the verification process to be completed. You will receive a notification from the wallet app once the process has been finished. So this way you can easily add driver license or state ID in iPhone wallet app. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.